All right, we're here at the Mankato Place parking ramp.
Guess what kind of elevator they have?
A Minnesota.
And speaking of Minnesota, here's Doug from Minnesota. He's very excited to be here, aren't you?
All right, ready? Here we go. All right, we'll go up to 5.
Check plus, let's look out the window. All right, up to 5. There you go. Minnesota Elevator Company. It's got a door hold switch. And the door hold switch doesn't seem to work.
Very nice.
Yep, it's hot as heck in there, but those are the only elevators I can really remember in this town. There it goes. What do you think?
Nice.